Dear Aerospacers, welcome to a new academic year at Indiana Aerospace University. Whether you are a freshman beginning your journey or a returning student continuing your pursuit of excellence, we are delighted to welcome you back to our campus. This academic year is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and challenge yourself to reach greater heights. Embrace every lesson, every experience, and every opportunity to become not only competent professionals, but also individuals of character and integrity. Let us remember that success is never achieved alone. By supporting one another, working with purpose, and striving for excellence, we can overcome every challenge and achieve our shared goals. On behalf of the faculty and staff, I wish you a productive, meaningful, and successful academic year. Welcome to Indiana Aerospace University, and together, let us continue soaring high.